Today we are going to start the chapter solution. What? Solution. So before we look at the solution, first we will know what is a mixture. What is a mixture? So basically mixture is what? It is a combination of two or more substance. Mixture is a combination of two or more substance. Okay, so it is a basically when two or more substance combine together, we get what? We get a mixture. So what, for example, air as a mixture, it is a mixture of what? It is a mixture of gases. It is a mixture of gases. Okay, air is a mixture of gases, different gases like CO2, N2, nitrogen, oxygen. When they combine together, we get a what? Air. So now let's look at the type of a mixture. What? Types of mixture. Types of mixture. Basically mixture are of two types. Homogeneous mixture. Homogeneous mixture. And the second type is what? Heterogeneous mixture. Heterogeneous mixture. Homo means same and hetero means different. What does it mean? Homogeneous mixture is a uniform mixture. It is a uniform mixture in which particles are mixed uniformly throughout the substance. And what is heterogeneous mixture? It is a non-uniform mixture. Non-uniform mixture in which the particles are non-uniformly spread throughout the substance. So this was the complete information about the mixture and its types. Now we will talk about the solution. Please take a screenshot. I am roughing the board. Okay. So let's move further. Now we are ready to look at what is the solution. Okay. So now we will look what is the solution. So basically solution is a combination of a solute and a solvent. What? Solute plus solvent. When solute and the solvent combines, we get solution. So the question is, what is solute and what is solvent? Solute is what we are adding, the substance which we are adding. Substance which we are adding. Substance which we are adding. And what is solvent? In which we are adding. Substance in which we are adding. Substance in which we are adding. Not understood? Okay, don't worry. Now we will take an example and we will see what is the solution. So solute is a substance which we are adding and solvent is what we are in which we are adding. So let's take an example. For example, we have a glass. Focus on this here. This is a glass. Okay, it is filled of water. It is filled of water and we are adding sugar in it. Okay, this is sugar. This is our H2O, that is water. So in this case, water will be solvent. Water will be what? Solvent. We are adding in water, we are adding sugar. So in substance become solvent and what we are adding? Sugar. So sugar will become what? It will become solute. And when they both will combine, we will get a solution that will be a sugar water. This is what? A solution. So basically we understood that solution is a combination of a solute and a solvent. What is solute? The substance which we are adding. Solvent, substance which we are adding, and we have understood clearly with the example. Okay, so bye guys, we will see you in next lecture. Okay, bye.